familiar with this place, is True Digital Park. Well, today I'm going to here to, today is Huawei Service Day, so today I come here to have another experience about the Huawei service to know what the real service day. The Christmas is coming soon, so I think there's street food and the Christmas tree. True Digital Park, and we have to go into this door to get the card. ไป华为ค่ะอ๋อได้ค่ะ Writing down Huawei Service Day, and it's to fix free, to clean free, and to make the screen protector free. And this is what free. Okay. And this one, oh, what's that? It's $5.99. Let's see first. ถ่ายวิดีโอได้เนาะแล้วก็วันนี้เป็น Service Day ใช่ปะแล้วก็จะได้อะไรใช่ไหมคะใช่ลดบริการค่าแรงช่างค่ะแล้วก็ตรวจสุขภาพ And here still have some productions like this one, media pad and watch, earphones and watch. Here too, speakers and the cars using, and the cases. And look now, this is what they're cleaning for. It's already been cleaned. Okay. And this one, they say they cannot print the pad screen protectors. They just do the cleaning work. Okay, but this 30, they will try to print the screen protector. Let's see. Look this is the back cover, and this is back cover. Okay, and this another covers. Okay, ได้แล้ว Well, look, today this is what I did. This is for the Honor 50 screen protector, and this is the print for me. And this is my Mate 30. They print the screen protector. Okay, they print the screen protector and make it for me. And the back cover, ta-da! Look, it's beautiful and printed. It's really great, really cute. So really service day without any charging. It's good. Hello guys, I'm out of the Huawei service center, and today my experience, actually I wanna say it's not too bad, but it's okay, just so. It's not actually I really want what I expected. I will tell you what the big differences between that day I come here. Okay, that day I come here, you know, the staffs, they didn't have any, I want to say it doesn't have any smelling, but today, yes, they still smelling more, and their attitude and services is much more better. And today they make the 3D printer to make my screen protector, 2 phones, but it's just the gel screen protector. It's still okay. I mean, my screen protector is broken, but today I really like to change my screen protector. And the second thing is to use that 3D printer to print the back cover. I feel okay, this one is really, as you say, oh wait, as you say, it's, look here, it's beautiful. Oh, another thing about the Huawei service day, and I ask next month which day, and they say we don't know, this is for the next year, we don't know, blah blah blah. I think Huawei, you have to can you really tell us the time, or even you make the time as the stable time, like the every month first week, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, like this. I feel like every month we have to check on the Facebook. It's not very well. Nothing more. That's it. Bye bye.